Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Born Pretty Amazon review. I have a Born Pretty gel nail polish kit and it comes with 6 different colors. These are 10 ml. You guys, I have a 20% off that is gonna be good until July 18, and you guys can use it at Born Pretty Amazon. And let me just say that again. It's for Amazon. So you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and open this little box. I like their logo. It looks so nice in gold. So it comes with instructions. Born Pretty gel nail polish user manual and how to remove it. So definitely, if you're new with gel polish, you guys can read this. So here are the 6 different colors, and I like how it came in this little box. Pretty neat. Again, these are 10 ml, so they're not the typical 6 ml. I think they are. So I love the gold and the black. I think they look so nice. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and show you each color. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put one color on my nails, and then the rest I'm gonna use some pop stick, that way you guys can see the color. So I'm gonna start with this one, and it's kind of hard to read just because you guys main ingredients. Oh, you get the ingredients on the back of the bottle. It's hard to read with the lights and the flash on my phone, but the letters are gold, so it's a little bit difficult for me to read while recording. But yeah, I don't see no name on these. Well, at least not in this one, but this one does have a name. This one is BPNP12, Far in the Future, and this is from the Nude Pink Gel series. And let me just go ahead and open it. Ooh, it's pretty nice. It's like a plum color, if I'm not mistaken on my description. Okay. And then I have this one, Rare Pink series, BP 0, is it a 02 or a D? I don't know. Miss You. Okay, let's go ahead and see this one. Ooh, it's a beautiful pink. In person, it looks a little bit darker than actually on camera. And then we have this one. Make sure it sticks. Oops. Pure Pink series, and this one is BP 06 Brit Sheer, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. You can actually see the color right here, and this color is so pretty. Look, you guys. It's like a blush. It reminds me of blush. I don't know. So pretty. Alright guys, so here's the next one. BPBL02, and it's called Day, and this is from the Basic Line Gel series. Let's see. It's just white. So everybody needs white in their life. And then I have this one. BPCH. I can't really understand that right there, but it's called Silver Flowers, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Silver Flowers. I can definitely see it on camera better than actually on the label through the camera. Okay, so this is so pretty, you guys. It's just the gold glitter. Beautiful. So I'll probably use the gold to top one of my nails. And this one, it didn't have a label. Let me see if, oh, it's right here. Okay, so that one, let me see. We need to put this label back on the bottle. Otherwise, I'm not gonna know the name. So yeah. Let's see. Let's put this on. Gray. This is from the Gray Gel series, and it's BPG09, and it's called Silver. And it's a great color. You guys can see it through there. Alright, you guys, so this is how the color looks. It looks great. So yeah, you guys, like I said, I have a 20% off that you guys can use until July 18. So I'm gonna put all the information for you guys on the description box. I already have some peel off base, and I will decide which color I want to apply to my nails. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Like usual, I'll be back at the end of the video just to talk to you guys. Alright guys, so this is how my nails look. I think they look really pretty. I used the gold one and this one. Again, it reminds me of a blush. So these are the two colors that well, one is a color, the other one is just a glitter. So it's a topper. You can probably wear it on top of every color. So yeah, they look really pretty, you guys. I really like how it looks. I love how my nails look. So yeah, so let me show you each color. So, and I only did 2 coats. Now I gotta say the formula on these is wonderful. It's like very creamy, very easy to apply, and very opaque. Just 2 coats and it looked good. Even the light pink, it looked really good with 2 coats. So far in the future, beautiful color. And then I have this one, which is a gray color. Oops, sorry. It's over. And this is a pink one. Again, it's only 2 coats. Miss You. And I have the white one, which is very opaque too, and it's really good. Day. And then the glitter gold. Let me just show you guys. It looks really pretty. There you go. And of course the one that I'm wearing, which is this one again. Alright you guys, so that's my review for these for this Born Pretty gel nail polish kit. Is wonderful. Alright you guys, well, definitely recommend these colors. They are so pretty. Like I said, I really like how they apply to your nails. So I'm gonna leave all the information for you guys on the description box. I hope you guys like this review. I love Born Pretty store. So again, all the information is gonna be on the description box. So make sure to like. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel, and I will see you guys on my next one. Also share, comment below, and I will see you next time. Bye you guys. Bye.